I'm gonna have to get some new side mirrors. These things shake like crazy.
They shake.
Yeah.
Why are they so loose?
Why's that so loose?
I don't know.
I messed with it. I don't know, why is it so loose?
There's a lot of questions
It's
on
not
this
even
truck.
really tight. I mean, it's not like loose. You can't hand
Oh, have you seen what replaced my throttle spring?
Just take this off so we can, because that stuff is still drying.
My throttle spring is has been replaced with a bungee cord.
Yeah, check this out.
It's almost there. Oh. Oh.
Hey. What's going on? What's holding?
It's that grime. It's holding
I
on.
think it is grime. I think so too. Yeah,
Or
it's
Skoda.
Doesn't look like there's nothing else holding it.
There's definitely not. It's holding on for its dear
Here
life.
it comes. There it goes.
Yeah.
Until when it gets clear, and we'll run it a little bit longer. Doesn't look too bad actually.
Is the water coming yet?
It's going, baby. It's going. Oh, it's looking good now.
Is there a bunch of green stuff in there?
Yeah, there was.
Yeah, it was.
Bunch of nastiness?
Looking pretty good now. I'm liking how that's looking now.
Yeah.